Samsung arrived for data recovery and repair. S22 Ultra stays on Samsung Galaxy logo. Sometimes boot looping. Yeah. Okay, and nothing happens. Yeah. The same. Data recovery. CPU reball. Okay, let's remove motherboard. Motherboard in very good condition. Now I'm trying to do something. Let's go on the microscope and do CPU reball. Okay, CPU is ready to remove. Every time on S22 Ultra cutting this corner shield to get space to put my thingy. A removal tool, which one I, by the way, have made by myself. So it's bent and works very well. Okay, let's remove CPU and let's check what is situation with the RAM and on-RAM pads, because boot looping issue as usually is related with the RAM. Okay, let's do. Okay, RAM is ready. Yeah, a lot of oxidated pads. And CPU is removed. Okay, so what we have situation, what kind of situation here? Yeah, here as usual is normal, everything. And now the general answer why this device is gluten. So this is RAM, yeah, RAM, and as you see. A lot of parts are just simple oxidated. Yeah. And this is the answer. Why this device computing? Central processor produced too much heat, and connection between central processor and RAM, which one is on the top of central processor, gets very weak. Okay, so I will prepare RAM and central processor for a ball, and after I will come back just to solve the central processor and RAM back in place, and hopefully this device will work totally fine and all data will be accessible with device. Okay, place for CPU is prepared, motherboard is ready, CPU is ready. Okay, CPU is ready. And what we do now? Just double check CPU. Oh, sorry. Okay, double check all CPU pads. Everything is okay. Okay, everything is fine, I guess. Okay, fine. Oh, there is some a little bit rubbish. Yeah, rubbish removed. Everything is fine. Okay, let's solder CPU. Where is that corner? That corner is here. Gaps, no gaps. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, just a little bit up. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, all good. Let's do CPU soldering. Okay, flux is moving. Sometimes preheating I do on 320, sometimes on 330. It depends on the room temperature. Now room temperature is a bit low. Yeah, so room temperature is a bit low. Okay, now 340 can be 345. Good. Good. Let's cool down a little bit. Motherboard, we need to clean top side of the CPU and solder on, and testing after. So we need to cool down a little bit motherboard. Why I'm not showing how to do processor itself, reball or cleaning everything. I just removing and after showing how to solder back. It's very simple. At the same time, I'm doing few jobs, so one simple job will be very long. Like I just returning to do the CPU reball after 3 hours after CPU I removed from the motherboard because I was busy with different other jobs. All right. Right here, on this corner, we need to cut a little bit. Yeah, oh good. Okay. Right, I'm using different flux for CPU soldering and for unsoldering two different kind of fluxes. Okay, RAM. All parts good. Okay, let's do quick spaces. I just need to fill up spaces between balls with the flux to be on safe side. That's all. Good. Good. Okay, where is dot? Dot, dot, dot. Where is dot? Dot is here, right? Yeah, dot is here, and dot goes in this position. Reflection on Samsung motherboards are very high. Okay. I just will close for a very short time to double check. Okay, to double check position of RAM. This position of RAM is very important. Yeah, all good. Let's back to microscope. Good. Good, that's all. Okay, a few minutes and we can check how solder balls on sandwich central processor looks like. Okay. Yeah, I guess everything is amazing. I don't see any reason, I don't see why this device will not work. It definitely will work. Okay, let's see, no bridges all around. No bridges all around. Everything is fine, let's test. Right. Just wait a little bit. Just wait a little bit. Okay. Battery plugged in. We have Samsung logo. So it means RAM sits on CPU in amazingly good way. And let's wait. By the way, I forgot to say CPU soldered. Probably in good way too, because we have power on the device. Yeah, we need to wait a little bit because after CPU reball, device every time. Oh no, it's fine. That's all. So CPU reball finished. No SIM. Yeah, it was no password. Swipe to open, and we have everything fully functional. Job done. This is how it looks like CPU reball to get device working. Or for data recovery. What about sound? Do we have sound? Yeah. CPU reball finished. IMI with device. Job done.